Assalamu alaikum friends and viewers, it's me Hamza Amjad Rana, the student of Form D from UOS. In our today's discussion, we will discuss about a new medicinal brand that is NIMS. To have a complete overview of the medicine, you must need to watch the video till end and subscribe my channel if you people are new. Now without wasting your time, let's move to the video. Our medicinal brand NIMS has an active pharmaceutical ingredient that is Nimsolide. It occurs only in tablet dosage form having potency of 100 mg. Nimsolide belongs to the class of NSAID. NSAID means non-steroidal anti-inflammatory drug, and we can take this medicine orally. And now mechanism of action of this medicine. Nimsolide basically blocks the COX-2 means cyclooxygenase 2 and reduce inflammation and fever of the body. And now we will discuss what does the body do with the medicine. After ingesting 100 mg tablet of NIMS, it is rapidly absorbed through small intestine and distributed throughout the body. And Nimsolide is actually metabolized in the liver by cytochrome P450. And after metabolism, mostly the amount of this medicine is eliminated in urine and the remaining through feces. And now the uses of Nimsolide. This medicine is basically used to treat normal pain, periods pain, fever, inflammation, arthritis, gynecological infections, ENT infections, and joint pain. Now side effects. If we use this medicine excessively, this medicine will cause some serious side effects that are liver toxicity, serious allergic reactions, hypotension, hypothermia, headache, dizziness, vertigo, body pain, vomiting, skin rashes, and itchiness. And now contraindications mean the conditions in which a person is restricted to use this medicine, and contraindications of this medicine are a pregnant and lactating woman cannot use this medicine, and in addition to this, if a person is facing GIT ulceration and GIT bleeding means bleeding with vomiting, then the person cannot use this medicine because this medicine may cause some serious side effects and may increase the complications. Nimsolide is also available in hundreds and thousands of medicinal brands in the world. Some of these are Aric, Anim, and Coxobid. So friends, this is all about for our today's video. Hope you like the video and you should follow the rules and precautions of this medicine. Meet you soon in the next video inshallah. Stay tuned, keep watching and keep supporting.